होते हैं। Respected sir, my teacher and my friend, Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, as you know, today we are celebrating Teacher's Day. Teacher Day. So first of all, I want to wish Happy Teacher's Day. Dear fellows, teachers are gift of God. Teachers are our second parents. They not only teach us but also guide us towards